In the wake of the First World War, Germany was a nation in flux. The Treaty of Versailles had imposed strict limitations on the country's ability to manufacture aircraft engines. It was in this challenging landscape that a company, Bayerische Motoren Werke, better known as BMW, found itself on the brink of change. Born as an aircraft engine manufacturer, the company's initial claim to fame was the BMW 30A, a high-altitude engine that was largely considered one of the most advanced of its time. But with the post-war restrictions, BMW found the skies suddenly out of reach. Yet the spirit of innovation that had fueled their flight did not falter. Instead, it found a new path. In the early 20s, BMW began its foray into the world of motorcycles. The year 1923 marked a significant milestone for the company with the creation of the R32. This was not just any motorcycle, but a marvel of engineering with its 486cc flat-twin boxer engine and shaft drive, a design element that would become a signature of BMW motorcycles for decades to come. The R32 was more than a product. It was a symbol of BMW's resilience and adaptability. It was an assertion that even in the face of adversity, the company would not only endure, but also innovate and excel. This spirit would continue to guide BMW through the decades that followed. By the late 20s, BMW was ready to make its mark in the world of automobiles. The BMW Dixie, a version of the Austin 7 produced under license, was the company's first venture into car manufacturing. However, it was the BMW 303, introduced in the early 30s, that truly set the stage for the company's future. With its six-cylinder engine and the first appearance of the now iconic kidney grille, the 303 laid the foundation for BMW's identity as a luxury car manufacturer. From the 40s through to the 70s, BMW solidified its reputation with a series of iconic vehicles, from the sporty 507 Roadster to the elegant 2000 CS Coupe. The launch of the 3 Series in the mid-70s marked another significant milestone, setting new standards for sports sedans and becoming a cornerstone of the BMW brand. Today, BMW stands as a symbol of luxury, innovation, and performance. From its origins in the skies to its dominance on the roads, BMW's journey is a testament to its vision, adaptability, and relentless pursuit of excellence. It's a story of a company that, when faced with barriers, didn't just survive, it soared.